Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Today we're going to be diving into something a little bit different. And what I mean by different, I'm just not going to be cooking, but it's going to be just as exciting. The Typhur Sous Vide Station. Check it out, y'all. This is not just a sous vide machine. It's an all-in-one system that promises to take precision cooking to the next level. Let's check it out. First off, look at the design of this thing. It's compact, modern, and combines three essential tools: a sous vide cooker, a vacuum sealer, and a water container. And what that means is less clutter on your countertop and more focus on cooking. And it looks good. One of my favorite features is this built-in vacuum sealer. No need for a separate gadget. Just place your food in the bag, sit it in here, and let the Typhur do its thing. It's fast, airtight, and ready for a sous vide cooking in seconds. Now let's take a look at the interface. It's super intuitive. Just set your temperature and cooking time on this beautiful touchscreen and you're good to go. Plus, it's got pre-programmed recipes for beginners, perfect for anyone who's just starting out with sous vide. Some of the recipes that they give you on this is eggnog, steaks, a bunch of different vegetables. I mean, there's a plethora of recipes in this interface. Now let's put it to the test. I've got two beautiful ribeyes here. We're gonna season them up, then we're gonna vacuum seal them. We're gonna cook it to a perfectly 129 degrees Fahrenheit for our medium rare. We'll dry these jokers off when they come out. We're gonna throw them on our griddle and sear them off, and then we'll dive into them. The water circulation system ensures even cooking and it heats up super fast compared to a traditional sous vide machine. You'll get consistent results every time. Y'all look at that. Perfect edge-to-edge doneness. You can't get these results like this with a regular pan or grill. That's the beauty of sous vide cooking, and the Typhur makes it easy. Another cool feature, you can control and monitor the system through the Typhur app. Whether you're in the next room or running some errands, you've got full control over your cooking. For example, I was about 300 yards from where I'm at right now in jail, and it notified me on my phone that my steaks were done. Now, let me clarify, I wasn't actually in jail. I was just at the jail, and that's a long story. But anyway, yeah. Cleaning the Typhur is a breeze. The water bath is easy to empty and clean. And the vacuum sealer components come apart for quick maintenance. So is the Typhur Sous Vide Station worth it? Absolutely. It's perfect for home cooks who want professional results without all the fuss. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for the family, or impressing guests, this all-in-one system has got you covered. So you really have to use this machine to actually get what I'm talking about. I mean, this machine is like the Rolls Royce of sous videing. It's like I have probably 2 or 3 sous vide sticks or systems, if you will, and they don't even compare. This is not even in the same ballpark. It's not even on the same planet. I mean, you guys got to try this. I'm gonna give you like a 15% off code for this. I mean, it's, you know, I think right now it's roughly about $600, and I know that it's expensive, but think of what you get. You get, I think it's a 12-liter sous vide tub. You get the screen. It's got videos in it. It's got recipes. You get vacuum bags that are reusable, by the way. You also get the vacuum sealer. I mean, what's not to like about the Typhur? Thanks for tuning in, y'all. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me next. Stay tuned. I'm going to be actually cooking and using this machine. All right, guys. Until then, keep cooking. Stay hungry. The Typhur Sous Vide machine, do it.